Hi, let's talk about frictionless enterprise subscriptions. Frictionless enterprise, or FLE, subscriptions are annually billed, which means when you activate your subscription for the first time, it will remain active for 12 months. Your FLE subscription is associated with a single email address and cellular phone number of the primary account leader. That means if you have a team, cluster, enterprise, or multinational subscription, a single email address and cell phone number is associated with that subscription. Keep your account leader information up to date. All FLE subscribers must start with Path 1. FLE subscribers must earn their Path 1 credential before their Path 2, 3, or 4 classes will unlock so that you can take them. FLE is 100% digital, automated, and on-demand training that you can take at your own pace and convenience. Path 1 is the foundation. Be sure to memorize and practice as you are prompted. You can get a sneak peek at every path by clicking on the path on our website. You can also see an overview of what you will be learning on every frictionless enterprise cycle by clicking on the cycle description on your home page. Subscribe to FLE by clicking on the Select Plan button. You should select and subscribe to the plan you have the budget and desire to lead. If you want to get started as an individual subscriber and then upgrade to a larger subscription as your team or your company gains interest, you can. Individual subscriptions require upfront payment for the entire annual subscription period. Fill in the easy-to-follow prompts on the screen, and you will become a subscriber instantly. You can start your courseware where and when you want. The FLE platform will remember where you left off, your quiz progress, and prompt you on how to store your course artifacts. Team subscriptions are for 20 to 49 subscribers who want to remain in a single frictionless enterprise account within a single team within a single company. Team subscriptions should be paid up front for the entire team for the annual period. The primary account leader will submit the names of her team members to our frictionless enterprise platform so they all have access to courseware as long as they remain on her account. For more details on each path, please click on the videos and collateral per path. Please note, all evaluations in Path 2, 3, and 4 are 100% private and can only be assessed by the FLE learner who took the evaluation. We take your privacy seriously. We thank you for becoming a subscriber to Frictionless Enterprise. Enjoy your journey. Less friction, more flow.